Hello students, welcome to your own channel that is Unique Learning. Today is Teachers Day, so on this special occasion, ma'am has decided to thank you children by giving you some video which is very different, which is related to what you need in life. That is, it's related to your brain power. Now why I am talking about brain power today? I am talking about brain power today because you students, you have to pass some exams. That is either your half yearly exam or some periodic tests which are going to come. And now you are wondering whether I know or not, whether I have knowledge or not of the things around us, and whether I have learned in these months, because we were not going to school in the lockdown situation. So whether I remember or not, so I will tell you some tricks which will make you remember, which will help you in remembering the things easily, and which will make you understand that your memory is not poor. So let's go to this, how good is your memory? That is today's topic. Many of the scientists in the 19th and 20th century, they told that we can use only 10% of our brain. But you know that is a myth, which means that it's not true that we can use only 10% of our brain, but we can use our entire brain. So for utilizing our entire brain, we need to do some practice of the brain, which means the cells which are present in the brain, they should be put to some practice. So we will do practice with some words, and in the process we will understand that whether our memory is poor or whether our memory is good. Because generally people have, even students, you have a feeling that my memory is not good, so I will not able to remember anything. But I will prove you today that it is not true. Your memory is also very good and you can remember a number of things. So let's go to today's topic. And hope all of you have subscribed to the channel, you have pressed the bell icon and you are getting the notifications timely. Stay tuned and be a part of the channel. Share these videos if you like it with your friends who may be there in other cities, who may be in a lockdown situation, and who are not getting some topics related to their syllabus or some wonderful videos like this. So today's topic is memory test, which is a very totally different topic, and that is relating to all the students. They can be of any standard. Everybody has a concept that our memory is not good or I am not able to remember things. So let's see how you can remember things. So today's topic, the question asked is, how good is your memory? So let's see, all of us have a very good memory. So beginning with 10 words, I am beginning here with a word test. In this I have taken 10 words only. So let's read the words. This word is vase, east, steal, leech, charm, matter, return, nurture, turn, urban. So for this, I think I might have taken only about 1 minute to read this. So you can take a maximum of 2 minutes to read these words. And in these 2 minutes, you have to remember these, recall it, and after closing your page, you should at least take one page and pencil. For today's chapter, like your maths, when you do practice, same way you'll have to do practice for this. So all of you should have a page and pencil with you. So in this time of 2 minutes, I am sure you will not be able to write this. Just you have to read the words in 2 minutes and then you have to close your chapter or close this video and try to recall it. Write down the words again and then you see what ma'am is teaching you further. So the words, how you can memorize it. Because in 2 minutes, that is such a short time. You have to memorize it, you have to recall it and write it again. The order can vary, but you have to write it again. So in this, if you get 8 to 10 words correctly, then it means that there is no problem with your memory. And I think most of you will be able to get 8 to 10 words correctly. Now I am going to tell you some simple tricks by which you can remember these words. And even in some of my English videos, I have tried to tell you some acronyms by which you can remember those English grammar usages. So let's go to the video. Let's see. So you see here how you can remember this. So first word is vast. Second word is east. So ma'am has written in this order so that you can remember it easily. Vast has got SE, east also has got S and E. So like that you can relate. Steel is having STEA, which is there in east also. Leech is having LEA, which is there in steel. Charm is having CHA, which is there in leech. Matter, then I have written return. Matter, you see R is there of this charm, M is there, okay, and A is there. Then return RET, which is written in the just opposite order. Nurture, you can see in the opposite order NURT. Then U is used. Then turn word comes up with the letters of return and nurture itself. Urban, you have the new letter B in that, otherwise all the letters of urban are there in turn also. So like this you can remember. There is another method of remembering is you can relate it with something which has happened with you. Okay, like suppose you are using the word vase. So vase word you can relate it with something like sometime in your house some vase has broken, or you have decorated a vase, you have made a vase from best out of waste materials. So like that you can relate it with something which has happened in your life, some good happenings or some bad happenings, like that. We can take some other word here. Like from here I can take the word return. So in return you can remember like somebody returned, or something was returned to you, you returned a book to somebody, or some good book was not returned by somebody to you, something like this. So like that you can relate all the words to your life situations and then you can memorize it. Same things you can utilize it while remembering the big sentences also. You can make acronyms, or you can remember it by relating it with some events which have occurred in your life. Now I will give you some homework for today. So all of you will try to make out 20 words on your own within a period of 5 minutes. In 5 minutes you have to make out 20 words, and what are these? You will take 5 words which are of some animals, and all these 20 words should begin with the letter A. So 5 words of animals names, 5 words of plant names, 5 words will be country names, and 5 words will be some character names. That is some character like in movies, or some characters in politics, or some influential characters you can take. So try to make out these 20 words in 5 minutes time. If you are able to do it, then it means that there is no problem with your memory. You can memorize the things and recall it very easily. And we will continue with this series of your memory test, or how good is your memory, in future also in some videos where I will teach you how to remember big answers easily, because this will be very helpful for learning and recalling and then producing it in the examinations. And this is generally a problem for most of the students. So stay tuned. I hope all of you have subscribed. Don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you for staying tuned. Happy learning.